In this video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tickets in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here to your Tickets tab by going to CRM, then clicking on Tickets. You can see right here the tickets that you currently have. So I have Ticket 1 as well as Ticket 2. Now, in order to merge them together, you can head over and then click onto the Actions tab that should be able to happen right here. Click onto these three dots, you can edit the properties that you currently have. Make sure to select the tickets right here. Once you have done that, you just need to head over and then edit those tickets by clicking onto this edit option. You can select a property to edit for those tickets like ticket information, description, status, and likes. You can also change the actual ticket name itself. Now, input right here the new ticket name. Let's name it ticket 1. Then head over and click on update and you can change them right here. Now make sure to copy any description changes from ticket 1 to another ticket. Then after that, delete the ticket that you don't need anymore. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed or signed up on HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.